What's your Tesla's name? And it can't be Tessie. I want it to be like Teresa.
It ain't Teresa.
Oh, there she is. Everybody get in. Everybody get in. Cheers to $1,000 a day.
I gotta record my sister closing her biggest trade ever.
Woo! Oh, shit.
It's open. Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Well, it's $7,000 now.
Shut up!
Fuck this shit. I'm closing that bitch.
Oh my god!
Dude! Let's go!
No, I need you to open that for me. Alright, full self-driving mode starting now. No hands. We're headed to the Tesla charger because my charger at the apartment didn't charge Jack Diddley squat. So it gave us a whole 2%. So we're gonna go to the supercharger.
Yeah.
And while we're on the way, let's talk.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it. Payton
just closed her first $1,000 live trade. Real live cash money, baby. Break it down for me. Why'd you get in? What instrument was it? What time frame? How long did it take you to make that money?
Dog, look where it went.
Oh my gosh. Are you joking me?
Damn it, dude.
What?
Damn it, dude.
Imagine if we had been in that. What?
This is so dumb, bro.
What?
That's so crazy.
Oh my gosh.
That is crazy.
That would have been like, what, 3K?
I
That's
don't
neither here nor there.
Neither there nor here. I've been trading a lot with one contract. It was such a difficult transition for me to go from like simulated trading 10 contracts and making like $1,000 here, $5,000 there.
What would you do different? Platinum. Would you have rather traded more realistic?
Yeah,
sim?
100%. I
Okay.
wish in my brain I would have not had all these expectations of simulating. I wish I would have figured out how to set my account to a more realistic 5K account and place more realistic trades. Because then when I started trading live, I was like, what?
Felt like you weren't making anything.
I just felt like I don't know the distance between the ticks. Anyway, got in yesterday, fell asleep. It spiked up. I woke up to it at like $500 this morning.
Okay.
I was like, oh man, that's so cool. Fell back asleep. And then I noticed it literally exactly hit the trend line.
Your safety line?
My safety.
To
the mother trucking.
Love when that happens.
To the T, doggy.
Now, where this car is taking us, I ain't got the slightest idea.
What is going on here?
We're going to Presbyterian Church here, Cumberland. Look at that. Does that happen often?
No.
Absolutely not, dude.
No, broski.
That is very abnormal. Yes, I mean, it would have been crazy for you to stay in a little bit longer, but that was not the trade for you. That doesn't happen very often. That would have been just by chance.
It's bonkers.
But whoa.
Whoa, what the? I saw the $1,000 and I closed that mother trucker. Well, right after the pool, laying in bed, having the greatest day. Where are we going?
I ain't got slide. Maybe it's on the other side of this bush. I'm going to have to take over.
You're going to have to take over.
We got 2 announcements to make, which is about the coolest thing ever.
What?
Not only did you have your first $1,000 trade, you had your first $1,000 month before that.
Yeah, dude.
You're sitting on a pretty 2K.
2K, just
Let's go, dude.
clicking and a ticking.
Uh-huh.
When did you make your first $1,000?
Oh, I'm so excited to tell you about this. As soon as my brain can stop thinking about this car getting on the charger, I'm going to tell you all about it. You just put me right here in this spot. That'd be real nice.
Charge. Are these superchargers?
Yeah, it says this is a supercharger.
Now?
I think that looks good. Yeah, it's working.
Yeah?
Yep.
Here's my stats.
Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so we're up 1,948. We'll call it $2,000. 55.56% win rate. This is fascinating. If most people were to just see that, they'd be like, there's no way she's profitable. There's no way she's making money. Because half the trades you lose.
But they're small losers.
Exactly. That's where this comes into play. Beautiful win to loss ratio over here. For every $90 you lose, you make $270.
Fire.
You've got an excellent score. Better than mine, if I don't say so myself.
Why?
91.4.
What is your score?
I think mine is an 80 something or other. Your max drawdown is good. Your profit factor is good. Your win to loss ratio, your recovery factor, your win percentage sure could be a little bit better in your consistency. But dude, let's go. Dude, looking good, my guy. Look at that.
Thanks, baby.
Beautiful. The best part that I love seeing here is all these losses are tiny. Teeny weeny little losses here.
Yeah.
So cool, dude. So exciting. Let's look at your July. July, your first $1,000 month. Not just 2 trades. Okay, 1, 2. How many trades did you take? 6 trading days. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. All winners. How'd that feel to have just a 100% win rate in July?
Yeah, it was wild.
Okay. Dude, I'm really impressed, babe.
Thanks, dude.
That's impressive.
Like, where was your mindset after you made your first 1,000? What was your next milestone goal? Because in my mind, I'm like, okay, now I need to hit a 5K month. Or is it not at all setting goals? Is it just like,
you just put yourself in position for whatever you can get?
really?
Yeah. You just do if you do the same thing enough times over and over again, you're gonna catch a big winner like that. Yeah.
Whoa, broski. Okay, your first $1,000 trade.
My first $1,000 trade was also my bikini. Okay, I'm gonna show you my first $1,000 trade here. Let's see if I can find it. We're gonna go all the way up. All right, my first $1,000 trade.
I'm so excited to see this.
This day, this was it. San Diego, June 18th, 2019. I'm so surprised I don't have the screenshot. Oh, well, very shortly after. Probably took my biggest loss too.
Dang it.
So every time, this is what I do, and I'm going to help you right now. If you can implement this now, you're going to be so much better off. And this is what I do now that I've done that a few times, lost that whole 1,000 in that one trade, is I'll just take a small win just to get it out of the way. I don't want to hit a record. I don't want $1,000. I just want to make $100 or $200. I just want to be happy with a small win, and then I do that out the way. Or even, I mean, maybe it's a loss.
What a small loss? A small win or a small loss?
Just to rip it off, just to get that feeling out of the way.
Okay.
And you could either do that by trading the same way, your 2 contracts or your 1 contract, and just closing early, or you can just go back to 1 contract and trade as per usual and just take your entry, take your exit. Now that would seem like the best case scenario because then everything's still by the book.
Okay.
But now that you've had your first $1,000 trade and your first $1,000 month, I would just scale it back. All of that excitement, all of that like craziness, like let's scale it way down and just be happy with like $100 or $200.
All right.
And that will get your head right. So you ready to take some of that money out? You gonna pay yourself $1,000?
Shit yeah.
Let's do it.
Shit yeah, dude. I am going to fix my nails.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get my eyebrows laminated.
Sure. Do it.
And probably get my hair done now.
Well, you're up 2,000 now so far. So I think also what's good for you to do is to split your profits. So continue to pay yourself.
I love that concept.
But grow it.
Period.
Because if you split your profits, you can work on growing the account, which then means you can start holding bigger position sizes, which means you can start making more. So it's like the snowball effect. Dude, when the snowball effect happens, that is when it gets crazy.
Woohoo! I made $1,000 trading!
Proud of you. Way to go, dude. We're teaching the whole family to trade.
So we can all have super luxury Target hauls.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's all we want.
We don't want nothing crazy. We just want to buy whatever at Target.
We just want to get whatever we want at Target.
That's it. My trading goal is to now have a 2K month. I just want to keep snowballing it.
Okay. 2K
or
month.
I want to try to double it. Yeah, double it each time. So 2K. And then my goal will be a 4K. Then my goal will be an 8K.
Now also keep in mind that there are months where you are a negative K.
I understand.
Okay. Making sure you know that, okay? Okay.
And that's okay.
Don't turn it all the way around.
Oh my gosh. How do I zoom in? Look. Do you see that?